Hello everyone, welcome to SQL Guide. Today we going to discuss recovery model of SQL Server. We going to learn what are the recovery models for a databases. What is recovery model SQL Server? How do I find my SQL Server recovery model? What is the importance of a recovery model in a SQL Server? Recovery model which control and manage the growth of the transaction log file and control how transactions are logged and what kind of restore operation are available, whether there is automatic log truncation, transaction log require and allow backing up the transaction log. A database can be switched to another recovery model at any time. Type of recovery models. All SQL Server database backup, restore and recovery operation are based on three available recovery model. Simple, full, bulk recovery model. Simple recovery model. Transaction log backups are not supported when using the simple recovery model. This means point-in-time restore cannot be performed when a database has its recovery model set to simple. The log space is reused whenever the SQL Server background process checkpoint operation occur. When checkpoint operation occur, the inactive portion of the log file is removed and is made available for reuse. Point in time and page restore are not supported. With the simple recovery model, you can only perform full and a differential backup because the single recovery model doesn't support using transaction log backup. Full recovery model. The transaction log records stay in the transaction log until a log backup is performed. The complete transaction log records are removed from the transaction log when a log backup is performed against a database that is in a full recovery mode. The transaction log file is not auto-truncated during a checkpoint operation. All restore operations are supported, including point-in-time restore, page restore, and file restore. Bulk logged recovery model. When bulk logged operation like bulk insert select into create index, it works similar to full recovery model except that certain bulk operation can minimally logged. Bulk logged use minimal logging technique to prevent log file growth. Reduce log space using minimal logging for most bulk operation. It improved the performance of a large bulk load operation. During the time a bulk load operation, a point-in-time restore cannot be done. To minimize data loss when using bulk load operation, you should take a transaction log backup before bulk load operation and then another log backup after the bulk load operation complete. This can help a point-in-time recovery can perform using any transaction log backups. Let's connect with SQL Server Management Studio to show you how do I find my SQL Server recovery model and how to change recovery model to another recovery model for a database. View the database recovery model using SSMS and T-SQL. This is the command to view the recovery model of a instance prod underscore a of all databases. From this command, you can view all the databases recovery model sys.databases, and you have to select a column name recovery model description, which lists all the recovery models for the instance prod underscore a. You can see here all the databases and its recovery model listed here. So this is the simple command to view the recovery model for all the databases of a SQL Server instance. And you can right click on a database, go to properties, go to option, and recovery model. Here you can see the database recovery model is a simple for the log shipping. So this is the way to see the recovery model for per databases from SSMS. Now we are going to change the recovery model to another recovery model. You can see log shipping database recovery model is simple. Now I am going to change to full recovery model. Alter database log shipping set recovery full. Run this command. You can see the command executed successfully. Now see the recovery model for the log shipping. Run this command and check the recovery model for the log shipping database. You can see here recovery model is changed to full. So this is the way to change the recovery model. Alter a database name, set recovery. Here you can give full, simple, and bulk. And also you can change go to database, properties, go to option, and from here you can set full. So this is the easiest way to change the recovery model of the database, and this is the script to check the database recovery model, and this is the command to change the recovery model. Thanks for watching SQL guide. Please share and subscribe my channel.